Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I am going to show how to download Burpsuite Professional Edition for free. Before going to download steps, I want to show the preview of Burpsuite Professional Edition. This is the dashboard, which is unlocked. You can scan new scans like crawl and edit, crawl, API scans for specific targets. Here you can use that one. And it is not available for free version, which is community edition. And also collaborator is also unlocked, and different types of features in the proxy and also intruders. Well, in Burpsuite community edition, you can see that the features are locked. Now here you can see that dashboard which is locked, and also collaborator which is also locked. You can't perform new scans like API scans and so on. Here you can see find out more option. When you click this one, you will be redirected to courseFigure.net. Here you can see that it is $499. When you click this one, you will get that number of users one per one user. It is showing $499, and it is for only 1 year subscription. For 10 years, it will be $4,990. Don't worry, I will tell how to download it for free and use for full time. So now open the description link. You will get this GitHub page. Scroll down. You will get like this Linux installation heading. Copy this code and open a new terminal. Create a new directory. For creating new directory, you have to use mkdir and specify any name that you want. For this one, I have already created one directory. Let me go there. Now you have to paste that code and press enter. Then you will get two pop-ups. Let me show you. This is the second pop-up. This is the first pop-up. This is the first pop-up and this is the second pop-up. It is the main step while downloading, and I am not doing manually because I can't do directly as per YouTube guidelines. I can show the exact steps to download. Here you can see that a license text where license 2H3 is default name. You have to change this name to your username. To get your username, you have to type who am I. Then you will get your username. This you have to copy and paste it here, license text. After completing this, you have to copy this license key and you have to paste that license key in the second pop-up. After pasting that, you have to click next. Then you will be redirected to another pop-up. It is the important step. Here you have to click manual activation, not next. You have to click manual activation. Then you will be redirected to another pop-up, which is manual license activation. Here you can see activation request. You have to copy this and you have to paste this. Then you will get activation response. You have to do carefully to get that activation response. After getting activation response, you have to paste that in this manual license activation. After pasting this, you have completed the license of the professional edition. After pasting that, click next and minimize the all pop-ups or close them. After closing, you have to come to the terminal and type Burpsuite Pro. Then press enter. You will get this pop-up. This is not an error. Click OK. Then click next. If you have any configuration file, you can choose file and you can get that file here. After getting that, you can start work. Till now I told to how to download, not setup. Here you can see that proxy. Here it is HTTP history. Till now you can't get any requests because you didn't set that proxy settings. Here you can see that proxy settings. It is default and it is the local host. You should not change this one. Or if you want to change, you can change, but you have to set that proxy settings in the browser also. Let me show you. For that one, you have to open Firefox and click this extensions. Manage extensions. You will not get this one because you have not installed that one. If you install, you can get that one. For that installation, you have to enter Foxy Proxy. Click enter. You will be redirected to this Firefox browser. Here you can see Foxy Standard. Click this one. Then you will get like this. Not remove. Instead of remove, you will get add. Click that add button. Then you will get that extension here. After getting that extension, click on that extension, Foxy Proxy. Then you will get only the disable button, not these two. For getting these two or setting the proxy, you have to click the options. After that one, you have to click OK. Then here you will see proxies. You have to add, click add. Then you will get this like this title. You can mention any title. Burpsuite Professional. Host name 127.0.0.1. Port number 8080, which is the local host name, port number, and the color you can give anything. Username, if you want security, then you can give username and password. When you click this one, you will get like this password. Please enter the password. Then you will enter password and you will get this one. After saving, you can go to options, close this tab, click extension, click proxy. You will get like this, Burpsuite Professional. After clicking this one, you have to go to http://burp. Here you can see Burpsuite Professional CA certificate. You have to download this. I have already downloaded this. After downloading, you have to go to the options, settings. Here you have to type certificate. Then type view. Then click view certificates. In authorities, you have to import that downloaded certificate. You will get like that. Then click that one and enter. For my Kali, I have already installed that certificate. So I get like that alert. For you, it will be installed, and then after installation, you have to click OK. From now onwards, you can see the network traffic in your Burpsuite like this. You will get that network traffic. If you want to intercept, means if you want to put that particular request, then you can on the intercept on, and you will get that request. Here you can use intruder. For example, let me take this request, send it to intruder. If I am adding any payload, if I am using any position, here you can get payloads. Here payload configuration, you have to paste that list of payloads and start attack. Here you can get different attacks, but it is for only educational purpose. You should not misused for illegal activities. It is mainly used for bug bounty programs. Here you can see this as a repeater. If the same request is sent to repeater, you can see that send. You can get the response also. Here you can see the different responses. Collaborator. This is the main important time for attackers. Sequencer, decoder, comparer, logger. This shows the logs of the network traffic. Organizer. This tab used for saving the network traffic requests. Extensions. This is the main important one in the Burpsuite. Now click B App Store. Here you can see different extensions which are more useful for bug bounty programs. For example, I type 403. This you can see rate limit for it is used for rate limiting, and this can be bypassed using these headers. You can install or you can use github. Here you can get that code and you can clone that and you can use that tool. Like that, different Burpsuite extensions will be there. Now you can use learn. Here it is the learn tab. You can learn the Burpsuite. When you click start here, it will be redirected to the same portsfigure.net. Here you will get that YouTube videos and different labs. For labs, I will post some videos in the next classes. So to follow, please subscribe and like and share and leave a comment if it is helpful.